I put it upside down so y'all can't see my address because I don't need nobody coming to my house and stealing all my stuff. What's going on, everybody? Got a package in the mail today from KOW Performance. Their link will be in the description below. But I do know what this is, but I'm going to leave it a surprise for you guys. As you already know, I've already gotten the exhaust, and we got this little number today. Side note, I do have another Instagram page that I run called Slow SUV Club, and I do have vinyls for it. If anybody's interested, you can DM me on Instagram. I will put the link in the description below, so I will do that. And shout out to my dude, Daily Driven Rides, for hooking me up with the vinyls. I'll put his information below as well. But back to this. So we got this from KOW Performance today, and I'm going to go ahead and open it on up. Switch hands here. I put it upside down so y'all can't see my address because I don't need nobody coming to my house and stealing all my stuff. And I am wearing a, I don't know if you can see it, KOW Performance sweatshirt that I got as well. So I don't know if y'all saw it or not. It's a surprise. What did we get today? Ooh, it's pretty. It is a new Jet Performance throttle body. And then I got paperwork in here, just saying what I ordered. KOW Performance. You gonna focus? No, you ain't gonna focus? There we go, KOW Performance. Recommend them for any Mopar needs that anybody has, and I will continue to promote him for as long as I can. The best customer service I've honestly ever had to deal with. It makes everything super easy. He's got so much information on all of his products. But anyway, so let's go ahead and crack this puppy open. I don't know if it is taped shut. Okay. This is guaranteed to add 417 horsepower. I'm kidding. This really doesn't do like a ton for power, but it does help the car and the motor to breathe a little better. Oh, it's got all the installation things on here. That's nice. That's nice. Tells you to stop. That's good. Oh, good. I was hoping to get stickers because this is gonna be like my wall of stickers back here. So as you can see, I got AFE stickers, Daily Driven Rides, Mopar, more Daily Driven Rides. Got some Adams up there. See my wall of stickers here. Here's the tape. There it is. Okay. I'm gonna set this down. Set some rain here. Try not to mess all the stuff up on here. And they package it really well, so I will give them that. Ooh! Set that off to the side. See, I am just making a mess of everything. Well, that is very, very pretty. And I know that was their goal, was to make this as pretty as they could. That looks like it's very good quality design. Yeah, so it basically goes in, I think it's like this. And the air intake will go in right there. It's awesome. But, that being said, so this is Jet Chip Performance. I'll put their Instagram information below as well. But, so I'm getting this, which will help with airflow increase. Maybe it does go this way. Maybe it does go this way. I'm going to put the sticker upside down on here. I don't know. We'll figure it out tomorrow. But I got this, and then I also have Hellcat fuel injectors that I'm going to be getting as well. So the extra air, some extra fuel. Still waiting on my E85 conversion kit. I wasn't home yesterday to sign for it, so I'm going to have to go pick that up on Monday or Tuesday. And yeah, so I might be installing this tomorrow, because it's supposed to be like almost 50 in Chicago, which it was negative 50 like 3 days ago. So I might be installing this tomorrow. But I'm going to be doing an installation video as well. So it's got everything on there for the instruction of the throttle body, and then the gas pedal and throttle position as well. Relearning procedure. Okay. So we will go through all that tomorrow. So that's the update. Got this puppy. Again, I got it through KOW Performance. I think through him this was like $4.99. And then from the actual retailer, like from Jet, it's like $600 or something like that. So he's got a good deal on it. Recommend going through him. Absolutely. So, and again, if anybody is interested in vinyls, just DM me on Instagram and we'll hook it up. $5 a piece, and you can get them right now. All I have here is white, but if you want them in a different color, not a problem. Just let me know. I'll get it taken care of for you. So yeah, that's the update right now. We got this. I got the sweatshirt. Hopefully you guys saw that. If not, whatever. I got the exhaust going, and I still have to figure out if I can replace the tips with what I have on there, or if I have to buy new ones, which I'm really hoping I don't have to do because they're not cheap. I was looking at headers too, but I ain't got $2 grand, so I'm not gonna be doing headers anytime soon. Just gonna be leaving it like this. So that's where we're at. That's just the update. Hope y'all are having a good day, and we'll catch you next time.